Hello everyone, this is Aaron from OneSideZero.net. I know it's 2025, but there is still a demand and existence of 4G phone. And the phone that we are about to talk about is actually the Redmi A5 from Xiaomi. So what did I mention just now? This is basically a 4G budget class phone. And today we will dive into the review and our verdict to see how we think about this phone and to let you all know whether this phone is it for you. So let's dive into it.
Right out of the box, the Redmi A5 feels simple but solid. It comes with a plastic body with a matte finish, rounded edges and lightweight. There's a rear fingerprint scanner, a headphone jack and even decent button. Feedback: it doesn't feel premium, but it doesn't feel cheap either. You're looking at a 6.88-inch HD+ LCD display. It's not the sharpest, but for the basic, watching YouTube, scrolling Instagram or reading messages, it does the job. Outdoor brightness is just average, but for indoor use, it's more than fine. Under the hood is the Unisoc T7250 chip, paired with 3GB or 4GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage plus microSD expansion. It's running on Android 15 Go Edition, which is lightweight and optimized for lower-end hardware. And you know what? It works. Apps like WhatsApp, YouTube, and Chrome run smoothly enough. Just don't expect heavy multitasking or high-end gaming. Battery life is a strong point. The 5000 mAh battery easily powers you through a full day, sometimes two with lighter use. Now, it charges at 15 watts, which is a nice bump over older 10-watt phones. It is still not blazing fast, but it's noticeably better for topping up quickly. Who is this Redmi A5 for? It's for everyone who needs a reliable phone without spending a fortune. Which means this is great for students, seniors, or even as a secondary device. It's not flashy, but it comes with Android 15 Go. It comes with a solid battery life, and it is basic, but it also comes with pretty useful feature. It's a dependable daily driver on a budget.
So that is all on the review of the Redmi A5. Now, when it comes to pricing, you can actually get this at the starting price from 299 ringgit. And that's all I have to say. Well, do remember to subscribe and like our video because that will actually help us and encourage us to create more reviews like this one. So with that said, I shall see you in the next one.